Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the visual intelligence, ChatGPT and AI with your camera in your iPhone 17. At first you have to open the settings and here now scroll down to the camera right here. Tap camera control over here and scroll all the way down to enable present hold for launch visual intelligence. Now if you hold this button, you'll see visual intelligence, of course. Let me for example take a photo of the SIM card ejector. And now here we do have two possibilities. To ask ChatGPT over here, and if I tap it, as you can see here we do have ChatGPT is available for 13-year-olds, but I mean 13-year-old older, but here as you can see, a SIM card tool is used to open the SIM card tray in smartphones, tablet, blah blah blah. Here we can ask about details about this image, but that's the first thing. The second thing is that I can take the same image of maybe and tap search to search it using the Google, and here to have, as you can see, SIM card ejector. Apart from that, yeah, there's no person that actually does it, how it helps you, and goodbye.